now I'm hooked, I'm addicted, I'm like a fish that just got hooked in the lip.
What's happening, baby? Living the dream! Yeah!
What's up, y'all? Welcome to another episode. I'm Stanley7 and I'm all about living the dream. And you can see right here, I'm at my boy Jake's house. That's probably in tons of other videos. This is what I'm leaving Jake with. A couple of crabs, about a dozen crabs, and 2 rays that the shirtless man caught. Yes, that is very funny. But besides the point, we are going through all his jug lines, and the reason being is because we decided to go jug line fishing. I did a whole nother jug line fishing video, first time I ever went jug line fishing, and now I'm hooked, I'm addicted, I'm like a fish that just got hooked in the lip. So hit that subscribe button, stay tuned while we go through all this jug lines, check everything, and I'll give you a quick update how to set your jug line up once the Professor Jake tells me how. And yes, he's got clothes on today thanks to 7 Apparel. But besides that, let's go through these jug lines. Alright, y'all, so what y'all was just seeing in that time lapse was we was going through all of the bottles, making sure they had hooks, and we was restringing them on the little carts. I gotta redo it because I didn't hit record. So I thought I was talking to y'all, but apparently I wasn't. So you got your cart. I just undid them. We went through everything like you just seen in the time lapse. So I'm gonna tell you how it works. You got your carp, you got your leader, you got your hook at the end of it. And pretty much this is like your fishing pole. This is like your string on your fishing pole, and you got your hook. Real basic, same principle as fishing. But in this case, we're just gonna take these, toss them in the water. We got probably close to, I say, 50, at least 50 of them you see on the ground. We got some in the bag, we got some big ones, we got different sizes. But when we're done, we got this pool noodle. We just put a little slice in it, take your hook it like this, and roll it up. And what that does, it prevents tangle when you put them all in the bag when you're doing that many of them. And we got different ones. We got these, the little bottles with no weights on them. Then we got these big ones with weights on them. And we got the weights separate from the hook. Some people put the weights with the hook on the same string. They got a whole bunch of different ways. It's all your preference. And this little one right here loves YouTube. She's probably...
Me too! I'm a fan of YouTube.
She's a fan of YouTube. And everybody knows her back there. So, we're going to go ahead and get y'all packed up, everything. She wants to say something. She's a YouTuber. So we're going to get...
But this is actually my second time.
This is our second time in the video. Prior video, what we was doing? Fishing for crabs. It was crabbing with the nets. So if y'all want to watch that video, hit the link up above. But what I was saying, we're going to pack everything up. We're going to get ready. We're running out of time to go jug lining. Alright guys, so you just seen the clip. We was cast netting, didn't get no bait, but we have stew meat. Stew meat is very good from the first time that I went jug lining. We put the lines out and we are about to go and check them. And I don't know, once Jake's done drinking 4 or 5 beers. But that's besides the point. He is not driving. We have a designated driver. His name is Jake 2. No, I'm just intoxicated. I'm just joking. But that's besides the point. We are going to check the jug lines.
One shot.
Take 2. And we have a special guest, Jordan. He's in the back. He's being super. You gotta keep the light on. Look, put the light on. I don't know.
I don't drink though.
Yeah, we can't see him. I did not miss the big one.
You missed the biggest one we
It was because of it. Jake's driving. That's why we missed the big one. A little bit of buzz, you know what I'm talking about. Alright y'all, we're gonna go make another run. Hopefully I don't get copyright strike with this music in the background thanks to Captain Jake. Almost just fell.
Come on, man, you can't be putting this on YouTube.
Alright y'all, we just made it back and we had some hoop nets. We dropped them in the water. And we got a couple of crabs. We got a big old catfish in there. I don't know if you're about to see it. Pretty big in there. We got some Red Bull. Caught some Red Bull. Thanks to Red Bull, we caught all this. But I'm very sorry that I didn't get no real good footage of us pulling any catfish in, anything like that with the jug lines. But I will have to say this. Jug lines, absolutely fun. You have to do it. You have to go out and live the dream. Everybody's super tired. It rained. We got wet. I'm soaking wet. Tide's super high. I had to run in the water to come get the truck. But if you want to watch one of my videos of me and Jake going fishing, hit the link up above to the next video. Stay living the dream.